Hi viewers, Namaste. Now we discuss the topic exercise 1.3 fourth question. The decimal form of some real numbers are given below. In each case, decide whether the numbers is rational or not. If it is rational and expressed in the form of p by q, what can you say about the prime factoration of q? So observe that question here. As in the decimal expansion, it may be a p by q form. Get it? We write that prime factoration of q. Now solution, given that 43.12345678 is a terminating decimal. Now for that one 9 digits is there, that's why multiply with 10 power 9 in numerator and denominator, that equals to 43.12345678 whole divided by 1 into 10 power 9 multiply in numerator and denominator, that's why 10 power 9 by 10 power 9. So numerator into numerator means 43.123456789 into 10 power 9 whole divided by denominator into denominator 1 into 10 power 9. So here multiply with the 10 power 9, that's why transpose to decimal point after 9 digits, that is 43.123456789. So the decimal number transposed to 9 digits after, means after 9 we keep that decimal point, divided by 1 into 10 power 9 is nothing but 10 power 9. So the 10 power 9 we write it as prime factoration 2 into 5. So 2 into 5 power 9 can be written as 2 power 9 into 5 power 9, that equals to 43.123456789 whole divided by 10 power 9 can be expressed as 2 power 9 into 5 power 9. That is the required prime factoration. Therefore the required q is in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n, that is q equals to prime factoration is 2 power 9 into 5 power 9. Now we take it next solution. Given that 0.12012001200 and so on. So the decimal expansion is not end and not repeating. Clearly we treat it as the decimal expansion neither terminating nor non-terminating, repeating or recurring decimal. Clearly it is an irrational number. So whenever irrational number cannot express as in the p by q form, so no need discuss about the prime factoration of q. Now we take it one more solution. Given that 43.123456789, so bar from 1 to 9, it is in the form of a dot b bar, like can be written as ab minus decimal point before value a by 1 digit contains as bar, means 19 we keep. So that above step can be written as 43.123456789 minus decimal point before value as 43 whole divided by the decimal points contains how many digits are there, means totally 9. So that's why we write it as in denominator 9 times can we express 9. Clearly last two digits only we change, 89 minus 43 we get it as 46. So numerator 43.123456746 whole divided by 9 can be written as 9 times as in the denominator. It is a common multiple, numerator and denominator 3 is there, we divisible as in numerator get the value 1437448558 by 3 can be written as 9 times, that is 3 up to 9 times. It is in the form of p by q, but q is not in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n. For one more step we take it numerator 1437448558 by this denominator can be expressed as in the prime factoration 3 power 3 into 1234567 9. Clearly here also p p by q as it q value not as in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n. I hope to understand this solution. Thank you for selecting my video.